Find a comfortable and relaxed position, letting your body settle down. Allow your mind to quiet and become still. Focus on your breath, inhaling slowly through your nose. Exhale softly through your mouth, releasing any tension or stress. Bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Focus on your heart space and imagine a gentle warmth there. See it like a soft glow emanating from within. Allow an image to arise, unforced and natural. Picture Jesus, Yeshua, standing in calm presence. He exudes steadiness and profound peace. Beside him stands Mary Magdalene, grounded and embodied. She is seen and acknowledged fully. Between them flows a love that is quiet and real. It's built on presence, truth, and mutual recognition. A love that asks nothing of you in return. It judges nothing and requires no specific belief. Feel the calmness of the scene before you. Notice the gentle light surrounding them both. Their connection is palpable and serene. Imagine yourself stepping closer to them. Feel the energy that they radiate outward. It is a welcoming and accepting energy. There is no pressure, only invitation. Observe their interaction, their silent understanding. It is a love that transcends words. It is a love that is deeply felt. Allow yourself to be present in this moment. Let go of any expectations or judgments. Simply observe and receive the love that is offered. Notice the details of their appearance. The colors of their robes, the expressions on their faces, the way they stand, their posture and presence. Feel the warmth of the light surrounding them. It is a comforting and reassuring light. Allow yourself to be bathed in this light. Let it penetrate your heart and soul. Feel the love that flows between them. It is a love that is pure and unconditional. A love that is always available to you. Remember this love, this connection. Carry it with you always, in your heart. Know that you are worthy of this love. You are deserving of this connection. Embrace the love that surrounds you. Let it heal and transform you. Allow yourself to be loved fully. Release any resistance to receiving love. Open your heart to the possibility of true love. Believe in the power of love to heal. Trust in the love that is always present. Know that you are never alone. Love is always with you, guiding you. Embrace the journey of remembering love. Allow your heart to remember its true nature. A nature of love, compassion, and kindness. You are love. You are loved. You are loving. Remember this truth always, in all ways. Let love be your guide, your compass, your light. Allow love to lead you home to yourself. Rest in the peace of true love's embrace. The image of Jesus and Mary Magdalene remains, their love a quiet presence. Imagine this love gently expanding, reaching towards you with warmth. It's a rose-colored light, steady and inviting. not forceful or demanding. This light enters your heart space, a gentle and loving embrace. If resistance arises, acknowledge it with kindness and understanding. Know that this love is patient, waiting for you to open. Silently or aloud, affirm, I allow myself to receive this love. Repeat, I allow my heart to remember true love. Feel your heart responding in its own way, perhaps as warmth, perhaps as a gentle emotion, or a profound sense of stillness. This love carries no fear, no need to possess or control. It simply holds you, remains with you, unwavering and true. Let this love settle deeper into your chest, filling every space. It reaches the places that learn to protect, to guard against pain, reminding you that true love exists, has always existed within. It is a love that is unconditional and ever-present. Allow this same love to expand outward, radiating from your heart. Share it with others, extending compassion and understanding. But maintain your boundaries, clarity, and truth in all interactions. Protect your energy and well-being as you share this love. Carry this remembrance with you throughout your day. Know that your heart knows how to hold this love, how to nurture it. It is a love that sustains and empowers you. Feel the gentle warmth in your chest, a constant reminder. Visualize the rose-colored light surrounding you, protecting you. Remember the image of Jesus and Mary Magdalene, their love a beacon. Allow yourself to be filled with gratitude for this connection. Gratitude for the love that exists within and around you. Breathe deeply, feeling the love flowing through your body. Exhale any remaining tension or doubt, releasing it into the air. Trust in the power of your heart to remember true love. Trust in the love that has always been there, waiting for you. Embrace the peace and stillness that comes with this remembrance. Allow yourself to be present in this moment, fully and completely. Know that you are loved, unconditionally and eternally. Feel the support of the universe surrounding you, guiding you. You are not alone. You are connected to all that is. Rest in this knowing, in this deep sense of belonging. Allow yourself to be nourished by this love and connection. Let it fill you with strength, courage, and hope. Carry this feeling with you as you move through your day. Share this love with everyone you encounter in your own way. Be a beacon of light and love in the world. Remember that you are worthy of love, just as you are. You are perfect, whole, and complete in this moment. Embrace your imperfections, knowing that they make you unique. Love yourself unconditionally, just as you are loved. Allow yourself to shine brightly, radiating love and joy. Trust in your inner wisdom, your intuition, your guidance. You have the power to create a life filled with love and happiness. Believe in yourself, in your abilities, in your potential. You are capable of anything you set your mind to. Embrace the challenges that come your way, knowing that they will make you stronger. Learn from your mistakes and move forward with grace and compassion. Forgive yourself and others, releasing any resentment or anger. Let go of the past and embrace the present moment fully. Live each day with intention, purpose, and love. Remember the love of Jesus and Mary Magdalene. Carry their love in your heart, always. Slowly bring your awareness back to your body, feeling grounded and centered.
It all starts with a glowing screen, promising something almost magical. Curiosity takes over, and the session begins. Harmony is restored, and the unexpected journey feels truly worthwhile.